little ones, it's time for another wonderful story. Have you noticed that the set menus at many Chinese restaurants are often presented as 3 dishes plus 1 soup, or even 10 dishes plus 1 soup? This shows how important soups are in Chinese food culture. Soups are consumed across every Chinese region and there are numerous varieties. Generally, Chinese soups can be divided into 2 categories. Thin soups look clear, are not oily, and are usually cooked slowly over low heat. Thick soups, on the other hand, are more opaque, typically richer in protein, and cooked over much higher heat. Chinese soups have a special place at the heart of the dining table. The Guangdong region on China's southernmost coast is especially well known for its Lao Huo Tang. These soups are simmered for hours to draw out all the flavor from the ingredients.